Thank you so much for joining. Today we have a question which says, without full expansion of 3 plus x to the power 7, determine the fifth term. So we are going to use the NCR method to find the fifth term. Okay, so in brief, for instance, when we have a plus b as an expression to the power n, if we are to expand this one, what we do is we get the NC, we start with a 0, then AB. So this A is coming from the expression, then B is coming from there. Then the power of B, we'll get it from this 0 here. So we'll have a 0, then here we'll have N, meaning when we add the powers N and 0, we get N there. So the second term will be NC1, then we'll get A and B, then we get a 1 here. So this one becomes the power. Then for A here, we'll have N minus 1. Okay, N minus 1, such that when we add the powers N minus 1 plus 1, we get this N, just like that. Okay, so looking at the question that we have, which is 3 plus x to the power 7, if we are to collect data, this means that n will be 7, then r, this r here, so this r, so r will be 4. Why? Because when we are finding, let's say, the first term r should be 0. When we are finding the second term, r should be 1. So when we are finding the fifth term, r should be 4. Okay, then we're still collecting data here. Then in this case, A will be 3, then B will be x. Looking at the question that we have, this is the data that will apply. Okay, so let's proceed. So since we are looking for the fifth term of the given expression, so what we'll do is we'll have the 7C4, then we have 3, which represents A, and we'll have X representing B. So meaning this 4 becomes the power here, and when we add 4 plus what would be here, we get 7, and that would be a 3. Okay, so 7C4, that gives us 35. Then 3 to the power 3, that gives us 27. Then we have x to the power 4. So 35 times 27, we get 945. Then x to the power 4 as the fifth term of 3 plus x to the power 7. Thank you so much for your time.